How to download Adobe Photoshop on your mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to download and install Adobe Photoshop on your mobile device. So it's a quite easy process. Just head over to your Play Store if you are using Android and just click on search and search in for Adobe Photoshop Android. So once you search in for that, as you can see the first option, just ignore the sponsored application, and you can see it has been provided from the Adobe itself. So it's an official application. It's available for free, where you can just click on install and you can actually enjoy all of the benefits the application provides to edit all of your photos, just like as if you were editing it on your PC version as well. So there's a massive gap, but it provides a lot of features which you can also get on the PC version of Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. So once it gets opened, install, just tap on this open button over here to open the application itself. And you may need to provide all of your storage options over here, so you can just click on allow by heading over to permissions, just like this, and allow everything over here. So once you allow everything, you can actually start using the application and click on editing photos, just like this. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.